Hello children, in today's class we are going to continue with the chapter 18 environmental pollution. The last class we have already seen what is pollution. Then tell me what is pollution children? Pollution is the process of making land, water, air or other parts of the environment dirty or not safe for using. Isn't it? Now, then tell me what are pollutants? Those substances or gases that pollute the environment that are called a pollutant. For example, a glass of drinking water. If I put one piece of chalk, the chalk is the pollutant. After putting the chalk, are we able to drink? No. The chalk piece has polluted the water. The chalk piece in that water is called a pollutant. Have you understood? Then again we saw what are the causes of water pollution and also how can we control water pollution. And the last we saw about the soil pollution. And in today's class we are going to see what are the causes of air pollution and how can we control air pollution. Now we all know that without air we cannot survive. Isn't it? So air is very essential for us to live. And you just imagine the air what we breathe is having such a lot of harmful chemicals in it. What will happen to our body? We surely fall sick. Isn't it? We get asthma. That is the main problem of polluted air. Breathing problem. Okay, we are not able to breathe. Then, different types of skin problems we get. Allergies, sneezing, cold, cough, all this because of the pollution of the air. Okay, then what are the main causes of air pollution, children? Mainly, we can see the factories let out harmful chemicals into the air and that causes acid rain and it harms the water animals, okay, human beings, plants. Factories also let out harmful gases which we breathe in. It causes many diseases to us, especially I told you already the skin diseases, itching problems, all this because of the poisonous gas. Another way is children, increase in the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere or in the air. Because of cutting down of the trees and the overuse of the vehicles, machineries, this carbon dioxide is increasing day by day in the air. And this causes lots of problem to the environment plus to the human beings. This causes the greenhouse effect. This effect traps the heat in the atmosphere. It won't let the heat go away from the earth. Automatically what will happen? The average temperature of the earth increases. And if the temperature increases, the ice, the polar region is having ice, those ice started melting and the water level in the sea increases. So these are the three main causes of air pollution. The first one we saw, factories let out the harmful chemicals and it causes acid rain. And also factories let out harmful gases what we breathe in. When we breathe this harmful air, what happens to us? We get different types of diseases. The third one we saw carbon dioxide increase in the atmosphere due to cutting down of trees and overuse of the vehicles and machineries. So it affects the entire earth and the temperature increases, and also the ice in the polar region start get melting and water level increases in the sea. Now, what are the measures to control this air pollution? The first one is avoid burning garbages in open areas. If we burn the garbages in the open area, lots of smoke and harmful gases comes out from that, and it will pollute the air. The second one is plant more and more trees. If more trees are planted, the trees will absorb the carbon dioxide and give us lots of oxygen. The factory owners must be instructed to adopt methods by which smokes from these factories is made free of poisons. We can advise or we can make them aware that before letting this poisonous gas to the air, it should be treated properly. Then firecrackers can be avoided. Then vehicle can be used with CNG, compressed natural gas, instead of petrol or a diesel. So that will reduce the pollution. So these are the main ways we can control the air pollution. What are they, children? Avoid burning the garbages in open areas, plant more and more trees. Then the factory owners should be instructed not to let the poisonous gas free to the air without taking any proper measures. Then vehicle should be used with the CNG by avoiding firecrackers. These are the ways we can avoid air pollution. I hope today's class is clear to you. Thank you, children.